It seems like everyone is trying to zip around town on some kind of electronic device these days, whether it's an electric unicycle or a motorized skateboard. But with so many different modes of transportation on the road, safety can sometimes take a back seat. Luckily, a clever French team has come up with a solution: the Clic-Light. These smart flashlights not only make cyclists more visible, but they also make maneuvering a breeze. You can indicate turns, activate brake lights and hazard lights, and all with a simple click of a button. Plus, with 37 LEDs, you'll be visible even in the foggiest of conditions. And get this, the Clic-Light can last up to 30 hours on a single charge. So you won't have to worry about your safety taking a hit while you're on the go. Plus, the kit comes with everything you need, including a handy holder for the remote control. Sure, it'll set you back $128, but can you really put a price on safety? So why not invest in the Clic-Light today and make your commute a little bit brighter, literally? Well, look what we have here. It's the magnificent DOCA. Say goodbye to those old, clunky computer mice of the past and hello to this wonderful upgrade for the mere price of $70. Let's dive into the specifics of this beauty. With its 5-inch AMO LED touchscreen, you can access all your shortcuts, tools, and widgets from popular programs with ease. And don't worry about running out of battery, because this bad boy can last up to 56 hours on a single charge. And with a weight of only 113 grams, your hand won't feel like it's lifting a dumbbell. The DOCA is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, with future compatibility with Linux. And if you're a power user who needs to switch between multiple computers, you can store shortcut profiles for up to 5 different machines. Just place your palm on the mouse and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. For all you artists out there, the DOCA has a special function that adjusts the thickness of your brush depending on how hard you press. No need to fumble around with different brush sizes or settings, just let the DOCA do the work for you. So there you have it, folks. The DOCA is the ultimate upgrade for your computer mouse needs. It's sleek, user-friendly, and has a few tricks up its sleeve to make your life easier. Silent Ventus is a drone that is making waves in the tech world for its innovative use of ionic propulsion. Unlike traditional drones that rely on noisy propellers, Silent Ventus uses an electromagnetic field to ionize nitrogen and oxygen atoms, creating thrust that propels the drone forward. This makes it ideal for use in delivery, where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum. Investors have already poured over $2.5 billion into various drone projects between 2012 and 2019, so it's no surprise that this new model has generated a lot of interest. The team behind Silent Ventus aims to achieve a flight time of 15 minutes below 70 decibels by the end of the year, which is roughly the same level of noise as a TV set or vacuum cleaner. The technology behind Silent Ventus provides up to 150% more thrust than its competitors, which is a significant advantage. However, some skeptics might argue that these claims are simply a ploy to attract investor funding. It's important to carefully evaluate the feasibility and practicality of new technology before investing, but Silent Ventus certainly has the potential to revolutionize the drone industry. Look what we have here, the Flextail MAX SUP pump. This compact little guy may be small, but it's mighty powerful. In fact, it can inflate 6 SUPs in a row. That's enough to keep you paddling all day long. And get this, it only takes about 6 minutes to inflate each one. With 3 smart modes, a digital display, and automatic shutoff, this pump is smarter than some of the people we know. Plus, it even remembers the last precious set, so you don't have to fiddle around with settings every time you use it. At 360 liters per minute, the pump is a real speed demon, and the passenger design ensures it won't overheat, even when working for a long time. And with a battery capacity of 9,600 mAh, this pump is ready to go the distance. Plus, it's so lightweight, you'll hardly even notice it's there at only 1.7 kilograms. With its sleek, streamlined look and bright orange color, this pump is the coolest partner you could ask for on your SUP adventures. And at just $220, it won't break the bank either. So why not add the Flextail MAX SUP pump to your arsenal and become the envy of all your paddling pals? The Joto Whiteboard, a true marvel of modern technology. Imagine taking an ordinary whiteboard and transforming it into a Wi-Fi-enabled, drawing-receiving, remote presentation-making machine. Who says innovation is dead? But wait, there's more. The Joto Whiteboard also comes equipped with a special feature called 365 Days of Art, perfect for sprucing up your coffee shop or restaurant menu in real time. Your customers will be impressed and wonder what other technological wizardry you have up your sleeve. And the best part? The Joto Whiteboard can fit anywhere, whether it's in your home or office. And with dimensions of 393 by 472 by 88 millimeters, it won't take up too much space either. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how much does it cost? Well, my dear friend, it's only $200. And if that wasn't enough, the designers have promised to release a public API so that users can upgrade the functionality of the whiteboard to their liking. And did I mention it works with Spotify, Twitter, and Slack? Yes, you heard that right. In conclusion, the Joto Whiteboard is the perfect addition to your modern workplace or home. It's versatile, innovative, and just plain cool. Lochett and Litl Lochett have designed powerful magnetic storage options that have the ability to hold just about anything. The creators offered two models, the Lochett and the Litl Lochett. The Lochett weighs 71 grams and can hold up to 4 kilograms, whereas the more compact Litl Lochett weighs 25 grams and can hold up to 2 kilograms. Both holders incorporate a double magnet system that exceeds all expectations, and thanks to their adjustable straps in 3 sizes, they can also adapt easily to non-standard loads. The designers have also added phosphor to the device, which enables it to glow and be used both outdoors and indoors. The potential applications of these magnetic storage options are endless and truly mind-blowing. With the Lochett and the Litl Lochett, you'll never have to worry about losing small items again. These devices can be used to hold keys, screws, bolts, and other small metal objects securely. They are perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and fishing, where keeping track of small items is essential. They are also great for indoor use, like organizing your workspace or keeping your makeup brushes organized. The best part about these magnetic holders is that they are affordable. The price is just $14 for the small Litl Lochett and $17 for the larger Lochett. They are easy to use and adaptable to any situation. So, if you want to keep your small metal items safe and secure, then Lochett and Litl Lochett's magnetic storage options are the perfect solution for you. The global smartphone market has been thriving in recent years, with over 1.2 billion new devices sold in 2022 alone. It's no wonder that successful entrepreneurs know the importance of making their products compatible with smartphones, as these devices have become an essential part of our daily lives. One innovative product that demonstrates this concept is Ringo, a water bottle that doubles as a smartphone stand. The Ringo water bottle features special magnets on the back panel that are designed to work with iPhone 12 and higher models, as well as other smartphones. With this feature, users can mount their smartphones vertically or horizontally, adjust the angle, and comfortably watch videos, video chat, or even record a workout. In addition to its smartphone stand functionality, the Ringo water bottle also boasts impressive insulation capabilities. It can keep liquids hot for up to 12 hours or cold for up to 24 hours, making it a perfect companion for outdoor activities, travel, or even work. The Ringo water bottle comes in 2 sizes, 710 or 950 milliliters, and has a starting price of $59. This price point is comparable to other high-quality water bottles on the market, but with the added benefit of its unique smartphone stand feature. If you're looking for a comprehensive and versatile storage solution, look no further than Storaxa. This innovative device combines the functionality of cloud storage, a Wi-Fi router, and a 4K multimedia hub into one sleek package. One of Storaxa's key features is its impressive 16 GB of RAM and Intel Celeron N6005 Jasper Lake processor. With 5 hard drive slots and 4 USB 3.2 ports at 10 gigabits per second, as well as 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI port, and a display port, this device packs a serious punch. And if that's not enough for your needs, there are many different versions available with different hard disk capacities and port combinations. You can even opt for an AMD processor instead. Setting up Storaxa is a breeze. Just connect your hard drives, plug in the power, connect via Wi-Fi, and create an account. That's it. You'll have terabytes of storage space at your fingertips, accessible from your smartphone and other devices. Pricing for Storaxa starts at just $200, and there are no subscription fees. Plus, you can have as many accounts as you want, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. There's a new DIY project in town, and it's all about building a 100-watt LED flashlight. The secret to this engineering masterpiece is none other than a humble computer fan. Yes, you heard that right. With a few other inexpensive details, you too can create a flashlight that will make your friends jealous. Now, some skeptics might say that it's not as durable as some commercial products out there. But who needs those when you can have something unique that you've built yourself? Plus, for just $17 for the LED chip and $4.50 for the lens, it's a steal of a deal. With the addition of an inexpensive circuit board, you can even control the settings via Wi-Fi. That's right, you can adjust the brightness and other settings without even touching the flashlight. It's like magic, but better because it's real. Building your own 100-watt LED flashlight is a fun and rewarding project that will leave you with a powerful tool for all your lighting needs. Oh boy, have I got a story for you about the Werobot Pino Lamp? It's not your average, run-of-the-mill table lamp. No sir, this one's got brains. Picture this, you're in the market for a new table lamp. You look around and realize that most lamps don't have any fancy settings for brightness or angle of illumination. Boring, right? That's where the Werobot Pino Lamp comes in. This lamp is so smart, it's practically a genius. For just $100, you get 3 tracking modes. That means you can set a color and the lamp will only respond to objects of that color. How cool is that? Plus, it's got a wireless charger in the base and rotates up to 160 degrees. And get this, you can even control it with your smartphone. That's right, you don't even have to get out of bed to turn off the light. Talk about a miracle of technology. The creators of this lamp are so confident in their product that they even highlight its minimalist design, which makes it perfect for any setting. Whether you want it on your bedside table or your office desk, the Werobot Pino Lamp has got you covered.